100. 100x equals 25.
100x equal 25. Yeah, that's good. Good job. That is the equation. Now you divide by 100 this side, because then you can isolate the x. That's the aim of the question. Find the x. If you do something here, you have to do the same thing this side. Balance, right? Because it's a balance or seesaw. Right? If you take it some weight, you have to take this side. Otherwise going upside down. Then this one cancel. X 25 divided by 100. He said, how do you do? You can do fraction or you can do decimal. You know, we did 10 division. If you have 2 zeros, what do you do? Okay, if you don't know, do a long division. Because you forgot the long division now. Can you work out? 20 100. Can you do it?
25 divided by 100.
100 divided by 25 is 4, opposite. But we need other side.
Oh, so you can turn it into a decimal, right? Wait, 100 goes into 25.
Yeah, then put 0, right? 0 here. 25. Then what do you do next?
You minus?
Yeah, take away. Then 25. Yeah. What do you do next?
25 divided by 100.
You can't. Then you put a 0 there. And when you put 0, you put a decimal here. Right? And 250. 250 divided by 100. 200. Put the 2
Yeah,
here.
50 left over.
Then 200. 50 left.
Well, how about, yeah, 50 left.
Put another 0. It doesn't matter. 500 divided by 100. 5. Right? 0.25. Okay, now
yeah, I think I'm good with this stuff.
Yeah, when you do don't use calculator, you need to practice the decimal, the division, right?
Yeah.
Then writing equation. Now set A and B. Yeah, write down the homework. You already have the volume 1, that is your remainder, right? Area and the volume. Yes, that.
So do lesson 116, 115 and 41.
You know, the area question you miss. You didn't do, not the volume. Volume also has area. Last week homework you haven't done, right?
Yeah, and now 150. Yeah.
And 41 A, 41. Sorry, 42.
Is 42 word question as well?
It's a similar writing equations.
I'll at least try to do like 3 lessons at least.
41 A and B, right? They are very easy questions. If you go to 42 lesson, solve the problem in division decimal. See, involving division decimal. It has a division decimal now, including money. It's an interesting one. Okay, we try to do one question now. You write down the homework, 41 A and B.
I wrote it down.
Yeah, that's
115, good. 41 lesson A and 42.
Okay, now this one. Read the word problem, analyze, solve. Answer is in your notebook. Johnny says, can you read this question for me?
Johnny saves $105.35
Per week.
a week. How long will it take him to save $1,264.20?
Then you write the equation. Only difference is this decimal will, it's more decimal division. How long it will take to save this much of, right? This is per week. You can work in a week. And how long this much? Number of weeks. They ask, your answer can be week. The difference is this one has a decimal. You're going to do long division with decimal. But it's a similar thing. Say, for example, say I do 10.35. This is a different example. Divide by 100.75. You first you do is you take the decimal out. This one multiple by 100. And if you do something outside, you do the same thing inside. Right? Decimal will be here. Then it is 1035. It's a bigger number. 10,075. It's become bigger number, right? Then you have to deal with this one. Okay, this is a good question. Harder question. First, we have to write the equation first, huh? How long mean weeks? That means you can write number of weeks.
Oh, no.
Number of weeks, maybe X, right?
So X, but then
Per
the money.
Per week, 105.35, right? Then what would be the equation? Can you try the equation?
I'll check. It's a bit confusing, but okay.
It's the same thing, only the one extra decimals.
Yeah. I have one.
Finish?
I'm not confident with my answer.
Okay. Now 105.35, right? You write 105.35 the peso per week. The number of weeks will be X. Then you get the total savings, 1,264.
So the weeks are X, the money is 105. And
Then
he wants, yeah.
You divide both sides 105.35. Then division. This one to cut. X equal. Then you're going to find the answer. 1264.20 divided by 105.35. The thing is, this has a decimal, 2 decimal. You have to take it out, right? It come here. This 2 decimal come out, right? It's now it's a long number. 105, no, 35. That's been 10,535. This one 1264.20, right? Now this one every 1,000 means 0. I can put a comma. There's a this one 126,420. Then 10,000.